I haven't talked to my viewers in quite a while, but today is going to be about blessing my car and congratulating my cousin because it's her birthday today. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's keep it rolling. Let me tell you about a little something before I start driving and heading to the church. Basically, what me and my family do every time we purchase a new car is we bless our cars just because, you know, it's what gets us to point A to point B to point C. You get it, right? And we just want to make sure that we're safe on the road at all times. And I just want to make sure that whoever I have on the road, you know, a loved one, a friend, family, no matter what the case is, I just want to make sure that they get home when I'm driving them safe and we all get home safe. You know what I'm saying? Something like. But anyways, so I'll see you guys at the church. Alright, we're here at the church. At church. Waiting for the Father to bless my car, right?
El asiento del conductor. Te pedimos, Padre Celestial, que quien maneja este vehículo esté siempre consciente que en su casa lo espera. Que en su casa le espera el reposo, el descanso, la convivencia y el amor de sus familiares y seres queridos. Que esto sea siempre consciente de él y que si algo de ella, y que cuando si hay alguna razón, alguna frustración, algún coraje por medio de otros conductores que no lo respetan, dale la calma, Padre Celestial, el sosiego. Que eleve primero mejor una oración hacia ti, ponga música suave, tranquila y con seguridad sepa evaluar más la convivencia con su familia y los días por venir. Bendícelo en el nombre de Cristo, te lo pedimos, amén. Amén. Bendice, Padre Celestial, el baúl de este vehículo donde los pasajeros guardan las cosas más valiosas en su transportación. Si hay alguna persona que va a estar con un ojo envidioso o con malas intenciones, queriendo poseer lo que nuestros hermanos traen en sus días de compras, en sus transportaciones de casa a casa, desvíale la atención, Padre Celestial, hacia otras cosas, especialmente que sean buenas, mejor. En el nombre de Cristo, cuídalo, protégelo. Amén. Amén. Ahí está. Ahora sí vamos a concluir el rito. Nada más. Que el Señor los guíe a ustedes siempre en sus desplazamientos para que hagan siempre en paz su camino y lleguen a la vida eterna. Amén. Y la bendición de Dios Padre Todopoderoso, Padre, Hijo y Espíritu Santo descienda sobre ustedes y los acompañe siempre. Amén. Amén. Muchachos, felicidades, que les vaya bien, Dios los bendiga.
Gracias, igualmente.
Gracias. Oh, also, by the way, I am waiting for Julie. She's taking a long ass time. She said 20 minutes. It took me 20 minutes to even get to her house, and she's still not here. So we're just gonna have to wait, go shop for China.
Now you teaching with something else, bro.
All right, that's my cousins right here.
What up?
It's Julie, Omar. Some live gonna get China.
Yeet.
Some very nice things. To be continued. Shopping. So we're having a hard time finding China a gift. Julie's even having a hard time right now too. Look at her, she's acting like she knows what she's doing, but she don't really know.
Order a club for, so they have these lava lamps and they take photos of them. They render that and get the shawl, and they just use that to encrypt whatever passwords they have stored. So it's very, very hard to break into that stuff. It's interesting when you got that started.
We're trying to find her something, but things like this, I don't know if she'll like.
That'll be nice.
So.
Yeah,
Oh, we might as well get this. She likes to smoke a lot of weed, so.
yeah. Actually, she hasn't started in like months.
Really?
Yeah, you'd be surprised.
Wow.
I'm good.
Good China. Good China. Okay, Julie got her unicorn poop and stuff. You know, something like.
Mosquito puffs. Oh, boozy, Louisiana. really good.
Me and Omar still have yet to find our presents, so we got a little hungry. So now we're in Victoria's Secret, and we still don't know what to get her. So I think me and Omar, or maybe just me, I'm gonna just decide to cash app her money. She can use that money to buy what she wants, what she desires. I think that's fair.
Still gotta get that out.
Here for the birthday girl. I don't know if y'all can see her. She's right there on top. I think she's flicking us off. But I brought her cheesecake, some flowers, and yeah, her place is really nice. Happy birthday, you Nigerian.
That's not nice.
That is
Holy shit, you're big.
right?
Big.
Cheesecake.
He's big. Right, big. I'm sorry, bro.
Alright guys, we got cheesecake.
God damn, we're gonna buy credit. Kitty.
Oh, here's a laser.
Oh, where's the laser? Oh, you got it. Just kidding. Ah. Okay, China's giving me a room tour.
Oh, you're funny. I'm not gonna show you the closet then. That's just
No? Alright, we're gonna end the video here, but again, we want to wish China a happy birthday, a great birthday. You know, some light. You got Julie back there. Family here. Family's always first. But yeah, any last words you want to say?
No.
Alright, see you guys later.